welcome back to another YouTube video. It's me Mohammed from MAS-CodeTech, and today we are going to start learning CSS. Make sure to like, share and subscribe this video and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's hop right into the video. What is CSS? CSS is a language that programmers use to design programs. For example, they can add text color, background color, text fonts, and much more. So guys, we're right here in Visual Studio Code, and I made this short story about Ada Lovelace, and let's open it up in live server. I already opened it, and this is the story of Ada Lovelace, and using CSS we will be able to change the background color, the text color, and later on we will learn how to change fonts. So yeah, let's get started. First, there are two ways of writing CSS codes. So we're going to do the first way and then the second way. So the first way is to go under body and above your header, and then we're going to get some area so we can type our code, and we're going to type in less than and greater than sign, and we're going in between we're going to type style, enter, and then we're going to end this, so less than greater than sign slash style, and that ends it. Now we're going to get some more area, and then we're going to type in body, which changes the background color. So body, and then open and close curly bracket, and in between I'm going to type background color. So let me just get it right, background, and then it's on the second one. I'm going to press enter. So this is the background color, and you can select any color from here, and I'm going to show you another way, so I'm just gonna erase it, and then you type in RGB parentheses, and in between you're going to type in 0, 0, 0, and then you're going to click this square, and you can select any color you want. It takes a little time to get it, and I'm just going to go with this color right here, and then go to your Google Chrome, refresh, and there you go, you have it. Now we're going to learn how to change the text color. So you go underneath the body and you type in the text you want to change. So there's H1, H2, and paragraph. So we're going to change paragraph and H1. So H1 curly brackets, and then we type in color instead of background color and press enter. Now there is this way of selecting a color, and there's another way where you type in RGB, and then you can just type in 0, 0, 0, and select the square and select any color. So we're going to go with white, so white, and yep, there we go. Now we're going to go here, refresh, and you can see we have Ada Lovelace as white. And if you want to make all the text colors white, just copy this code, and then, oh wait, I didn't copy it. Just copy this code and paste it underneath twice, so you can make the H2 color change and then the paragraph. Now let's check if it worked. Yup, it worked. And then the next way, we're going to talk about the next way. Now I'm going to erase this all, and then for the next way you have to go to the head and the body where it says meta char set, meta name, and then go under the second one and type in less than sign, and then we're going to type in link space relationship, so REL relationship is equals to quotation marks, and then in between the quotation marks we're going to type in style sheet, and then we're going to do space href, enter, and then we're going to type here style.css, and then just select that, and then you have to click folder and make a style.css sheet that I showed you in how to download and install Visual Studio Code. There is an iCard up here, click it and you can see that video. And yeah, now we're going to end this with a greater than sign, and yeah, now we can go in here and then we can do the code. So you don't have to write style because we are already in CSS, so you don't have to write in style. We can just paste, and the H1 is going to get white, So wait, we have to do background first so you can see it. So let's do background. So we're going to type in body, open and close curly bracket, and in between we're going to type in background color, enter, and then I'm just going to select the color from here. Let's go with salmon. Let's see how it is. Yeah, it's kind of the same, kind of pink. And then yeah, now you can see the Ada Lovelace is white, and now we can just copy paste the same thing and make all of them the same color. So H1, H2, and P. There we go. That was simple. That was so easy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and bye. I'll see you next time.